Hey guys, Christian here. Today is our first video since summer started, and we're just on my kind of computer, yeah, on my Minecraft mods. And as you can see right here, we got Baldi's Basics. So we're gonna be playing Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning, which is an indie horror game. If you don't like horror games, I would recommend clicking off this video now. It's not that horrifying when you watch it, but when you're playing it, it's terrifying. Especially when you have a headset that makes everything like 100 billion times louder. So yeah, let's play this. And also, if I end up looking a little off when I'm trying to look at you guys, it's because when I'm playing this, I can't see my face cam because it's full screen basically. But let's do this. Oh god. Screen resolution. Graphics, 1999. Okay. The option key is down. I don't have an option key on my keyboard, but okay. Here we are. So I can't see my face cam even though it's like right in the top right of your screen. In case you haven't figured there has to be a D there, it out yet, this game is intended to be a horror game. As such, it has loud noises, flashing images, and overall pretty spoopy. Well, at least it's supposed to be. If you download this thinking it would be a great educationment for your kid or something, don't let them play it. Unless, of course, they enjoy horror games. I could totally prank my little brother with this. You have been warned. Da, 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 da. Basics in education and learning. I just realized something. He says, "Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning," and then says that's me. So your full name is Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning. Mouse sensitivity. How to play. Wasp move. Mouse look around, left click, pick up objects, open doors and other interactions. Right click, use selected items, scroll wheel, change items, shift is run, and spacebar is look behind you. Sorry, oh no, school's, okay, we're gonna read the story. Oh no, school's out, but your friend has a problem. He left all his booze in school, but doesn't have time to go get them. Because if he does, he'll be late for eating practice. Wonderful. To help him out, you have to go back in school and find all 7 of his notebooks for him. It won't be easy, though. Baldi loves challenging his students with fun trivia problems whenever he can. Each time you find a notebook, you have to answer some questions. Answer all 3 correctly, and you will earn a prize. Find all 7 notebooks and exit school to win. Okay. Let's do this. I click start. Can I just leave? It said left click to open doors, I think. No, I can't. That's so cool. Shift. What's down there? His mouth doesn't even move. No. I'm guessing that's what I have to collect. Wait, hang on. That is impossible. Anything besides 0 and 1 to itself cannot equal more math. Like something. It's not my favorite subject, but 6 minus 5, 1. I exist. School rules. You follow school. When you follow the school rules, no running, no entering faculty, no eating, no drinking, no escaping detention, no fourth wall breaks. Okay. Is this just like a math game? Oh god, he's mad. Hey, Baldi. Oh god. What? He's like following me. What happens if he gets to me?
I don't know why that was so scary, but it was. Oh my god.
Shut up, Baldi. Nine minutes. Ba, 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 ba. You need to. Why won't you shut up? I wanna try again. Let's see if I can actually do this time. Hello. Shut up, Baldi. Yeah. I actually have to do that. It's 13, I think. If I got that wrong, what would happen? Dun, dun. I don't know what the quarter really does, but I want it. Does it even matter? I just clicked enter. I didn't even type anything, Baldi, so you can't say you got it wrong. So he's right there. Oh god, where is he this time? So spaces, look behind you. Oh, there he is. Ooh, what is that? A chocolate bar? Energy flavored zesty bar. What's this? Baldi anti-hearing and disorienting. Can I use this in the vending machine? What? What? Ah, 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 ah! Oh, this isn't like a jump scare. Kill yourself. Another quarter? I want it. He's gonna come in. He's coming. Okay, I need to like outmaneuver him. I only have 2 notebooks. Okay. Shift. Go. Go. What does this do? Hey! It's right there. Ooh, soda. B soda. There's another energy flavored zesty bar. God! Frick, you scared me. Sweep it. I've heard that. Oh, okay, another notebook. Oh, baldi isn't here. 0, 2, and enter. Why aren't I losing my stamina? Can I, like... Here, take baldi and... You're a jerk. Will you learn? Okay, principal, gotta sweep. You haven't hired janitor, hire a broom. It sweeps. I gotta go. Oh god, freaking jerk. Price for it's 0. 6 is 9 and 0. Okay, gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Yeah, he's getting faster. Crap. No. You freaking, I'll barf you. Hey. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta run. What happens when my stamina runs out? Oh. Oh, no running in the halls, guy? Like, what? Who is this guy? Shy and tries to be avoided, doesn't like being looked at. Gets jealous at people with more notebooks than him. Baldi's gonna get. Oh, there he is. I'm dead. Ah, it's so loud. Oh my god. This is hard. But, yes, this is gonna be, like, uncut, the whole thing. Probably. But, yeah, I'm gonna end this here. Hope you liked. If you did, leave a like down below. I just said like twice. And if you really loved it, then hit that subscribe button on your way out. And see you in the next one. And also comment whether you want me to do this again. This game was really fun. And it's like, when I held my headphones out here, I don't know if you heard me talking when I did that, but when I held my headphones out there, I still heard it loud and clear. Oh my god, that game is so creepy. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.